Using a vector to set the camera view is a special case that simultaneously changes the rendering frame, camera position, and camera orientation. The look-along and look-opposite vector functions are the two vector functions that can be used to set the camera view using a vector. Both these functions are accessed through the vector context menu. To access the vector context menu, first select the parent object of the vector. In this case, I'll be using the boresight vector of Cassini's ISS wide-angle camera as an example. Since the parent object of a boresight vector is its parent sensor, I'll be selecting Cassini's ISS wide-angle camera through the toolbar. Once the parent object is selected, then right-click the vector. This opens up its vector context menu. Clicking Look Along sets the camera's position at the tip of the vector and rotates the camera to look along the direction of the vector. This function places the camera in a vector-based rendering frame that has one axis aligned with the chosen vector and another axis aligned with the up direction of the view rendered when this function was selected. So if we play time, we can see what Cassini's ISS wide-angle camera was viewing over time. Now let's point back at the sensor. The next function, look opposite, sets the camera's position once more at the tip of the vector, but this time it rotates the camera to look opposite the direction of the vector and towards the vector's parent object. This function places the camera in a vector-based rendering frame that has one axis aligned with the chosen vector and another axis aligned with the up direction of the view rendered when this function was selected. So now we can follow the vector's parent object over time.